I got one! I got one! For being here. We are going snowshoeing today. It's snowing right now. We're up in Logan Canyon. We've got a pole, we've got our snowshoes, we've got my sister and her husband, and we're gonna go on an adventure, so come follow along. Oh, and we can't forget, we got our taco time burrito. We're ready.
There's a light from a million suns burning through your blood. Feel the rivers run, a window to the whole.
It is nice and snowy out here. We have a couple inches of snow forecasted to fall up here, so we're looking forward to maybe getting a little fresh powder while we're going. And this is our first time out here as a couple snowshoeing. I did it earlier before when I was...
Don't walk backwards in snowshoes. It's not a good plan.
Yeah. Nice candid moment there. So we're just gonna head out here. We're here with Daisha and Nate up there, and
Hey,
we're looking to have a really great time and hopefully see some nice, beautiful snow trails like we're on right now. So here we go.
It's all for you. There's a song and it sings in the air. Wonderful the sound. Hear it everywhere.
I felt like we were
Shouting like
Yeah, I just kind of sat down, so it actually is really calming.
it's all for you. You gotta open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out.
All right, so we're here about 10-15 minutes in, and it started to snow. We're gonna go enjoy hitting all the fresh powder here, and so far, really good. Marissa's only fell over twice.
Hey, Tanner fell over once too.
Hers was more epic than mine. So, but it's really beautiful, and here we go.
It's so fun for a first time. I definitely already recommend it. Just get used to the shoes. That's the weirdest part. But come when it's snowing because it adds to the effect.
Open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out. Let it take your heart away. Leave all of the fear you've held on to. It's all for you.
It is super peaceful, you guys. I wish you could be here in person to see it. The snow is so incredible. So peaceful to just be out here in nature with family, being outside, being active. I love it.
It's all for you. You gotta open up your eyes. You gotta
I got one!
open up
I got one!
and take a breath and let the light out. And let it take your heart away.
3, 2, 1.
You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out. Let it take your heart away.
All right, so as you can tell, it is now coming down pretty well, and we're just wrapping up with our trail. We're gonna go and try and sled a little bit over at the sinks, but it's been great. What have you guys thought?
Amazing. I love it. It was really fun to have the snow coming. Yeah, surprisingly, you work up a sweat. This was what, about an hour drive into the canyon. We stopped on your turn off to Beaver Mountain, the ski resort, and parked across the street and just explored the mountain across the street. So definitely recommend. Utah has the best snow on earth. You should make your way out here. And yeah, thanks for being here. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and follow us on Instagram if you want. We'll see you next time.